smiling to
Okay, ready? Let's show whose phone number we have. Oh, I can't see it really.
Put on YouTube.
Sit back. Sit down.
Hey, Santa Claus.
Say hello.
Hello? Who is this?
I don't know who it is.
Santa Claus! Santa Claus!
It's Mark.
Oh, Santa Claus.
Oh, Santa? You saw his picture?
Yeah.
Maybe it got disconnected because of the snow. Try again.
Here.
Is the snow?
Maybe it was an elf. It's probably an elf, huh?
Yeah. Hey! Good. Hey!
Say, how are you?
How are you? Yep.
Because I'm watching you.
Don't you?
Tell Santa what you want for Christmas this year.
Tell him what you want. Tell him what you... Don't whisper, he can't hear you.
I want a dinosaur.
What else would you like?
A big wheel.
A big wheel?
Yep.
I'll see if I can get you one. You have to be a good boy.
Say, can your elves make that?
Can you make that?
Maybe, if you're a good boy. Are you going to eat cookies for Santa?
Yep.
Okay, because I like chocolate chip.
Say, and carrot for Rudolph.
Carrot for Rudolph.
Hello?
Hello?
What did you say?
Carrot.
Yes. Santa has to go now. I have to go back and make some toys with the elves.
Bye.
So I'll be
Be a good
good.
boy.
I'll be good.
Okay, Merry Christmas to all and to all a good night.
Say goodnight.
Good night.
Bye.
Bye. Hello?
He's gone now.
Oh, you hung up? Okay. Oh, that was...